Wait, where are all these little ducks coming from? Can you count them all before they splash? Again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ducks now? Don't blink, ducks are coming. One day a little baby elephant was sitting alone. His eyes looked sad. He was quiet looking at the sky. Suddenly, a teeny baby duck came near the river. Hello, big friend. The elephant looked at the little duck, and for the first time he smiled. Duck jumped happily onto his trunk. They started walking together through the jungle. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step, 7 step, 8 step, 9 step, 10 step. Wow, the river is so beautiful. They reached the duck family. Let's count together. 1 duck, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducks. The elephant began playing and splashing water on the little duck. 5 little ducks smiled. Suddenly the sky looks brighter and brighter. Twinkle little star came down from the sky. She wanted to play with her new friends. The baby elephant gently lifted her into his trunk. Other stars turned into ducks.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder, little sky, wonder, little sky.
Come on, my friends, let's also jump into the river. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Ducks quack quack, ducks quack quack, ducks quack quack. Playing near the shining so try, playing near the shining so try. More ducks.
Wow! Twinkle little star, baby elephant and teeny ducks all jumped together and splashed together. My channel.
5 little ducks quack quack, playing near the shining so try. More ducks.
The friends always share joy and playing together happily. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.